Were you also in class 10th and searching for that one corner of the internet where things feel calm, relatable, and your vibe actually matches? Then you are in the right place. So, hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to a new video of Study with Apti. I hope you all are doing good. So, today's video is a blend of everything, a soft, real day in my life as a 10th grader, and yes, I will be also talking about my recent exams marks. So, don't forget to watch this video till the very end, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So, I filmed this vlog on 26th of July 2025, which is Saturday, of course, and I woke up at 8:05 a.m. So, actually, this was a holiday, so that's why I woke up a little late, and the weather was really very calm and peaceful. After that, I just got freshened up, prepared my cup of tea, enjoyed it with almonds, biscuits, of course, my favorite thing to start my day with. Then I just decluttered my bed, which always looks a messy. So somehow I managed to declutter it, and that's how it looked afterwards. Look at these cute soft toys and the window, the vibes around, the posters, everything made the morning really very precious and extraordinary. Afterwards, I started with my studies, and it was a time for physics, electricity chapter. I watched lecture of Alexa from YouTube on this chapter. I didn't really prepare any kind of to-do list that day to start with. I just had few works to do. I kept that in mind and just continued with it. So prior only I did this chapter till the potential difference. So I was continuing from that part. Believe me, this chapter is a really lengthy and a tougher one, so it will be taking me lots of time to complete and lots of patience as well. So that's why I was just starting with this. I know it's a very great change in me that I started my first study session with physics, but you know, when reality hits you, you also need to change. Somehow that's what just I started with. Okay, so I will be giving you a little update that our half yearly exams will start like within a month or so. That's why it's like a rush to complete the syllabus as well. It's a huge one, but once I get the confirmed syllabus from our school's side, I will be definitely making up a video on that and strategies which I am applying to just cover that. After that, the first study session of the day got over, and I took a break where I had a cup of tea along with my favorite song playing in the background and me also enjoying the chess match. Currently, I'm just playing online chess. I don't know, I'm getting obsessed with this game. But yeah, these are the few matches of the day. I was really enjoying that. Okay, so after that, I started with studying again. Do you really think so? No. No, come on, chill. I don't study that much. Believe me, I really don't. It was like I had the first study session, then I took a break, and ended up in not studying afterwards. That means I directly jumped to taking a shower, then my lunch, and then a very good power packed nap or sleep for 2.5 hours. Of course, then I woke up late, then I just started with the studying during the evening time, जो कि बहुत लेट था, एंड तब जाके मैंने पढ़ाई शुरू करी. आई स्टार्टेड विद द completion of some of my pending notes of the agriculture chapter. Few PDFs were given to us, तो उसी के मैं notes complete कर रही थी. Then I took a break again for having some chips, but after that I genuinely started. मतलब मैं थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लेती हूँ, but उतना भी नहीं जितना मुझे पढ़ते हुए लोग सोचते हैं. So yeah, then I started with the maths का pending work completion. कॉपी कंप्लीट करा मैंने, नई वाली कॉपी थी. एंड देन आई गॉट रेडी. Yeah, I got ready. I got ready to go and watch this magic show of a known magician, and everyone was like, it's a very good show, you should go and watch. So I, with my parents and my little brother, we four of us went to watch this show, which was okay, a worth it one, I will say. But yes, I have watched many other magic shows as well of PC Sarkar, and you know, the legends are of course the legends. jokes apart and this topic apart, I just went there for a little bit of refreshment, just to enjoy that weekend. So yeah, that's where we went. After that, we also had our dinner outside. Then, after coming back, I just got freshened up and started with the completion of my rest of the painting works I had to do. Actually, the next day was Sunday and I wanted to enjoy it instead of just studying. So that's why. So, while I'm just completing all this stuff, let me just tell you my marks. So, of course, these are the marks of my PT2 examinations. So, there were 6 subjects. So, first of all, let's start with maths. So, in maths, I got 17 out of 20. I did a mistake in one of the sum, and another was just a silly mistake. So, yeah. Then let's move to English, where I got 16 out of 20. Majorly, I did wrong with spellings, where like the marks got deducted, and only 1 marks got deducted in the grammar section. Now, SST or social science, where I scored 19 out of 20. And if you have watched the video of mine where I have shared the exam prep of SST and the review, so there you will know where I did the mistake I have shared. Also, let me repeat here. So I did one mistake only in the whole paper in maps section, where 1 mark got deducted. Now let's go to SL, that means second language for me, which is of course Bengali, where I got 20 out of 20. Now let's go to the next subject, which is science. So in science, I got 7 out of 7 in chemistry, 6 out of 7 in biology. Again, I did a mistake in the MCQ, assumption reason in biology. Now in physics, I got 3 out of 6. I know it's the worst in this section, but I did a wrong in a question of refractive index. I was really confused with that, so I did it wrong. And another, again, a silly mistake. It was like asked for hypermetropia's correction, and I wrote it wrong. So yeah, that's just a silly mistake. And now let's talk about IT, which is the last one, where I got again 20 out of 20. So overall, I got 108 out of 120, which makes 90%. And talking about the position or rank in class, I got the second position in our section. But I'm not happy, not that much satisfied. It's like a good result for me, not even excellent or up to the mark, not even satisfactory. That's because the difference with the topper of our class, means our section, or overall with both the section, he got 97 point something percent, which means almost a difference of 7 to 8%, which is a huge. And also this exam was of only just 20 marks. That means like it will be creating a lot of differences in the 80 marks examination. So there's a huge difference, which will be next exam, that will be of 80 marks, which will be half yearly. So in that, the real tough competition will be shown, and we all can just understand the real pressure. So I'll just really try to work hard to achieve a good position, good marks in that exam as well. So yeah, let's just work and focus upon that. Also, I will be sharing up some strategies and tips videos once I just make mine, work upon those, and few videos regarding the reference book for class 10th as well as my desk tour are on the way. So stay tuned, subscribe, and don't forget to like, share with your friends, comments below. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you. Bye.